Meaning this is the moving for us now. I need to explain. I need to present about my first assignment, my first programming assignment. Okay, this one is the deep view. This one is the this was the big title for this assignment, and then this is main menu. This one is abstract card. Okay, the function of the abstract card is where we have a node to create the concrete card. The abstract task can help us have a clear mindset to know what is the maintenance we need to do later when we create the concrete card. This one is build it. Build it is the main method. Okay. For this line, main menu equal the new menu. The new is using to create an object, and the main menu is the object. This slide is using to allocate memory for a new main menu object, and this object has its own self maintenance defined within the main menu card. For this slide is main menu, main menu. Okay, the small main menu is a maintained object, and then when we need to run it the main menu functionally, we need to call it by the main menu maintained object. So the mean is okay. This is the main method. So if I want to run this program, I only can run in this slide only. Okay, this one is public class user, and private is the attribute. For example, private choose user ID. This private choose user ID is a attribute to store the user ID. Okay, because I use the private, so the mean is a trace is the same packet, but after card also cannot access it. Only this card cannot access it. Okay, this one is conductors, and inside the conductors, it assigns the value of test parameter to the corresponding attributes variable, user ID, username, units, total of this user object being created. You see this keyword to refer to the current object, and this one is getter method. Okay, why I use getter method is first because the user ID, the user and username and units, their attribute is variable. So if after class where asset is, they need okay, after class where asset is or implement is. If I don't use the getter method, that means after class cannot use it. So I must use the getter method, lest after class can access it. Okay, this is main menu extend user, and the users. Okay, this one is used to request an alert name user, and then can hop object of user class, and it will stop object of the user class. And this is an alert containing element of type user, and the user is the variable. Okay, then new user require new user 100. Okay, this 100 I using to initialize the user alert the size of 100. With the maximum number of users, then the alert can hop. Okay. For this one, I use the while proceed. So if the probably proceed equal true, the mean is the looping will never stop. But if the probably proceed equals false, the mean is the looping will stop. Okay. Okay. If the case by can let the proceed to be the false because I keep like that lah. So if I keep the case by, I scan the file, I scan the number of files, so the systems will output. Then you have to use our system and have new thing. Okay, if I scan after number, the number like 6, so to a default, so the systems will output it, please enter a warrior option. Then okay, this one is the user record through its extra calculation. Okay, this is a list of user objects that will hold all the user record, and this one is the intelligent keep track of the current number of users stored in this user array, and it effectively acts as a counter. This is constructor, and this both is parameter. So this is a record. So you just enter the record how enter user record to be entered, and it will bring how enter user ID, enter username. Okay, this one I have used the looping. So the main, if I enter two record, it will show the first record. After that I set in the first record, it will apply the records. Please enter the second record, second user ID, like that. Okay, I use it to count the electric, but this one is not include the KWTBB and SST. Okay, the SST is less than 300. Less than 300, we have no to count the SST. So I know that if more than less than 300, so we don't need to pay SST. But if more than 300, we need to pay it. So this one is display record. Okay, in test user and inquire color user and test, those procedures will bring no record run. In test, he was depressed like the list of user record, and he was show all the record. Okay, this one is search record. Okay, if a browsing file require false. Okay, this one is set for the current user ID match the user ID. So the mean is the user ID is, I enter the user ID for the users. For example, 123, 123, 4, 5, 6. So I enter it, and then the record will show the user ID the record of the user ID 123, 4, 5, 6. So I said if no found, so the system will be sorry the data is no found. Okay, this one is for the delete record. Okay, fully delete equal false. So the mean this one is using for initializing a body found to try if a user has been deleted. Okay, this is check if the color user ID match the user ID to be deleted. And this store the user to be ID in a temporarily variable. And this part is shift this element to the left to fill the. This is set the last element to know as is now declared. And for this one, it discriminates the color user ID to refer the duration. Okay, this the okay. If we have no delay, does okay. This the okay. If we have no delay, does so the status will operate equal of run. Deep view. This one is the this is the big title for this assignment, and then this is main menu. So main menu, well, I enter the choose first. Because the first one is add like so I can choose. I can enter user cost to be entered. So I enter 2. So he will show it code 1. So then it will require me to enter my user ID name and the number of unique KWJ. Then it will okay for this one is no include SST and KWTBP. But after that because I have set others I have set others maintain for D, so it will direct to cost SST KWTB. For this total, it already include SST and KWTB. And this is for the records, the second record, the second budget, the second user record. Okay, this is the two. This is the two. This one is display the record. So when I enter my two is 2. So the system will direct to show the list of user records for me. This one is search record. So if I want to search the record, I just enter the user ID. For example, I search 123, 4, 5, 6. So it will show the user ID, the record for this user for me, and include the total. Okay, after that, this one is delete record. So if I want to delete record, I also direct to enter the user ID of which one I need to delete, and then the system will direct to delete it. After that, when he delete it, he will show the user who have no to be deleted by me. Okay, and then this one is okay. Still, I already delete it, so I need to display the record. Look have any different, and also I just enter 2, then I look the difference. So because I already delete the first record, the second record will replace me the first record to be the first record. The English for me I already delete the first record. So the record second will display me the first record. Just like that. And then if I want to exit, I just entered exit. So the students will also continue to use our system. Have a nice day. So this is the output for this program and this assignment. Thanks for your all.